Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this car vacuum cleaner, but it's not just a vacuum cleaner. It has 4 different functions. It can inhale, blow, extract, and inflate. Now in this, it actually comes in this really nice carrying case. It has a little handle here, so if you did want to hook it up somewhere, you can easily do that. It's a nice hard case. You got your zipper in here. Now on the inside, you have your actual machine. You have extra filters, a charging cord, and so many different options on tools to add to the end. I mean, this covers everything from sucking up stuff to blowing up balloons to getting deep down into crevices and creases on whether you're in a car or inside your house. You can use all of these different tools. Now, I'm here in my daughter's car and it's pretty dirty, so we are going to show you just how great this thing is. So this is the vacuum side of it. I'm actually just going to simply attach on the vacuum piece. So this just comes right out. You've got your filter right here that you can take out and wash, and it snaps into place. You hold down on this button and it turns it on. There is the low mode, or you can put it on the high mode and it just sucks stuff right up. And this is doing a great job sucking all this up, even on this grooved surface. So that is really nice. Now, if I did want to change out the blade, all you've got to do is just pull this out and put in a different one. Now, if you decide, hey, I actually want to use this to blow, just take this part off. So this goes on this side right here, and I can just easily put that on. Then when we turn it on, it is now blowing. So then you can get in here and blow some of the dirt out, whether you're cleaning out a keyboard, just cleaning out random dust into deep sections. That is a great tool. Remove that as well. Whenever you're ready to clean this thing, this comes out. You can just then dump out all of your dirt into the trash, rinse this out, clean it out, dry it back up, and use it again. And it all stores conveniently in this nice case to be able to vacuum and clean anytime you need to.